Good morning, students. This is your GK class and we are going to study GK. But first of all, I would like to explain you about the problems which we are facing. We are not face to face. Students, you are not coming to school because of COVID-19, and you know what precaution we have to keep. We have to wear mask, use sanitizer, and keep distance from one another, isn't it? And be careful, be safe. Now I will start my chapter, and the chapter is 29, and the name of the heading of the chapter is how many, and you have to write the exact number while answering the questions. We have already studied about the body organs. Now here is the number of body organs which we are having in our body. See how many bones are there in an adult human body, and this is the picture of skeleton, isn't it? And skeleton is made up of bones, and skeleton is the framework of bones, and it protects our internal organs, my dear. And how many bones assemble to make one human skeleton? How many bones are there in an adult human body? And the answer will be 206. 206 bones joins to make a skeleton of human body. So there are total 206 bones in human body. Human babies are born with how many bones? And this answer is 300 bones, my dear. Human babies are born with 300 bones, and as they grow, some bones joins together, and then the number of bones reduces in adult human body, and that becomes 206. Now how many teeth an adult human have? And the answer is adult human is having 32 teeth. How many teeth there are there in a child? And a child is having how many teeth, my dear? 20 teeth. And when this teeth breaks down, then adult teeth comes, and that is 32 in numbers. How many times does the human heart beat in a minute? What is the function of human heart, you know? This is the organ that pumps blood to all part of the body, okay, and it beats 72 to 80 times in a minute. What is the respiratory rate in an adult human at rest? My dear, we are having different respiratory rate at different work. When we are running, it is more, we breathe fast. When we are working, it is less than running. And when we are sleeping, it is less than that. And while sleeping, it is 12 to 60. Okay? Now see how many muscles are there in human body. What is the function of the muscles? You have already read in the previous chapter, which was body organs. Muscles are attached to bones and helps it to move. If there is muscle, then only we can move, run, walk, or do any work. Our bones are having mobility, and it can move. It is flexible. And how many muscles are total in human body? And that is 600 muscles. 600. How many chambers does a normal human heart have? We have studied that the function of the human heart is to pump blood to all parts of the body, isn't it? And how many chambers it is having? It is having 4 chambers. How many lungs does the human body have? My dear, if I will ask how do you breathe, you will tell that by our nose. But nose is the only medium from where the air goes inside. But the main function of the breathing is done by this organ, and it is lungs. Okay, this helps us to breathe in, and with the help of this fresh air, our blood is purified. And how many lungs we are having, my dear? We are having 2 lungs, 1 and 2, in our body. Now comes the kidney. How many kidneys does the human body have? What is the first? I will explain you what is the function of the kidney, isn't it? This organ filters out the waste material, which passes out the body as urine. The material which our body needs, it takes in, and the rest which is waste for our body, it filters out, and it is working as the filter of our body. And we are having 2 kidneys. And if one kidney stops working, another can work. If both the kidneys are failed, you have heard about the kidney transplant also, from another human being, kidneys transplanted, and it works. How many sense organs does the human body have? And we are having 5 sense organs. These sense organs are the thing that means from the help of this sense organ we realize whatever is happening beside us, around us. This, our eyes helps us to see. We can identify any object by our eyesight. When we see anything, we can identify that which object is this. Feel, we can touch and feel and tell that this is, if it is long, round, I can touch and say that this is pen. Like that only we can touch and say this is bag, this is book. So this skin helps us to feel. Eyes helps us to see, skin helps us to feel. We can feel hot, cold, pinch. We can touch and say that this is table, chair. So these things we can touch and identify that this is my mother or brother or father, or this is my child, like this type of feelings. Next is ear. We can identify many things by our ear. Where we are. If we are on the road, there will be traffic sound. If we are in the school, there will be some different type of sound. Me and my students, if we are at home, or if any utensil has fallen down, it is having different sound. Mobile is ringing, it is having different sound. So different sounds we can identify with the help of our ear. Next comes tongue. We taste. The taste of anything we can identify by our tongue, and nose helps us to identify any type of smell. So these body parts are very essential for us. Now next comes how long is the small intestine. We have studied about the stomach, that this is the place where our food is digested. But my dear, you know, food start digested from our mouth only, and this after stomach it comes in small intestine and then in large intestine, and this is the part of small intestine, and it is 7 meters long. It is 7 meters long. Now you will get some fill in the blanks related to these chapters, and you will do it very nicely. See, an adult human has how many bones? And we have studied 206 bones, isn't it? Child is having 300, which later they grow and they some bones joins together. And when we become adult, we are having 206 bones. A human heart has how many chambers? We have studied 4 chambers, isn't it? Now next comes a human body has dash kidneys. And how many kidneys we are having, dear? 2 kidneys, isn't it? Next comes the small intestine is dash meters long, and it is how many meters long? 7. A human body has dash sense organs, and total 5 sense organs we have. Human babies are born with dash bones, and human babies are born with 300 bones, which later joins together and becomes 206 bones when we are adult. A child has dash milk teeth, and a child has how many milk teeth? 20 milk teeth. The human body has dash muscles, and human body has 600 muscles, isn't it? And now thank you students for watching these videos, and my dear, wherever you are facing problem, go through these videos. We are putting much effort, and if you are not taking the advantage of these videos, then so sad we will be. So please go through these videos and you will get each and every answers in your videos. Thank you once more, my dear. Be safe.